This August, we'll get to witness the arrival of the Google Pixel 9 series, with a special spotlight on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The countdown has begun, and in just a few days, we'll be introduced to Google's latest lineup, featuring not just 2 or 3, but 4 impressive models: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While the first 3 are fairly straightforward, the Pixel 9 Pro XL raises some questions. This device is set to be a true flagship, taking over the reins from the Pixel 8 Pro. It's not merely a larger or more luxurious version. It stands as the pinnacle of the lineup. So, how does this new contender measure up against its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro? Let's dive in and find out. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to undergo a subtle yet significant redesign. The previously slightly curved side frame, which enhanced its ergonomics, will be replaced with a completely flat design reminiscent of the latest iPhone and the Galaxy S24 series. While it remains uncertain whether Google will embrace titanium, it is confirmed that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature a meta-glass sandwich construction, likely utilizing either stainless steel or aluminum alongside Gorilla Glass on both the front and back. A notable stylistic shift will occur at the rear, where the camera island will be revamped to a more compact form, no longer stretching from edge to edge as seen in the Pixel 8 Pro. We anticipate that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will maintain an IP68 rating, ensuring it is as resilient to environmental factors as most flagship devices today. At this stage, we don't anticipate significant differences in the hardware between the two models. Both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 8 Pro are expected to feature the same 6.7-inch OLED display with a QHD+ resolution and a fluid 120Hz refresh rate. What's particularly thrilling is the possibility of an even higher peak brightness for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 8 Pro already made waves in the brightness arena with its impressive 2400 nit display, so it's plausible that the Pixel 9 Pro XL could surpass that. Additionally, like its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will include an in-display fingerprint scanner. However, the Pixel 8 Pro utilized an optical scanner, which is often seen as less precise and slower, leading us to hope that Google will opt for an ultrasonic scanner in the new flagship model. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to feature the Tensor G4 chipset, which continues to utilize a 4 in the manufacturing process, emphasizing on-device AI capabilities. This new octa-core chipset marks a shift from the Nona-core Tensor G3. While the previous model didn't break any performance records, it was more than adequate for daily use, so there's no need for concern. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to come with around 16 gigs of RAM, providing ample capacity for demanding AI tasks that require significant hardware resources. In terms of storage, we anticipate a minimum of 256 gigs in the base model of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Following Google's commitment to a 7-year software support cycle with the Pixel 8 series, this device will be supported until the end of the decade. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, however, is projected to receive software updates and feature enhancements until 2031, which is impressive for long-term support. Interestingly, there are speculations that the Pixel 9 series may launch with Android instead of Android 15 pre-installed. This isn't entirely surprising, as Google's flagship devices typically debut alongside the latest Android version. However, last year, the release of Android 14 and the Pixel 8 series was delayed to address bugs. To avoid a similar situation with the Pixel 9, Google might have opted to focus on Android 15, ensuring that the new phones arrive with a stable version of the operating system. At this point, we don't anticipate any significant upgrades to the camera hardware of the Google Pixel 9 Pro compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. We expect to see the same configuration featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. However, there are whispers that the Pixel 9 Pro XL could introduce a new setup with 3 50-megapixel cameras on the back and another 50-megapixel camera on the front. It's rumored that all these sensors might be based on the Samsung IMX 858, except for the main camera, which is expected to use the Samsung GNK 50-megapixel sensor. We should take this information with caution. Regardless of any hardware modifications, we trust that Google will implement the necessary software improvements to maximize the performance of the existing hardware. AI has consistently enhanced the camera features of Pixel devices, and Google is likely to continue this trend. Additionally, there are rumors suggesting that the new Pixels may support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, though it remains unclear which models will offer this feature or if it will be available at launch. There are whispers suggesting that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature a battery capacity of either 5050 or 5100 mAh, indicating no significant changes in this area. The Pixel 8 Pro from last year already impressed with its battery performance, so we're optimistic about the Pixel 9 Pro XL living up to those standards. As for charging capabilities, it appears we won't see any enhancements here either. Both models are expected to maintain the same charging speeds of 33-watt wired and 23-watt wireless, which are somewhat slower compared to many other flagship Android devices. The encouraging news is that there seems to be no significant divide among the three Pixel 9 models. Similar to previous years, customers can expect to enjoy most of the desirable features, even if they choose the standard Pixel 9. From the leaks and reports we've seen, it appears that Google is positioning the new Pixel 9 Pro to bridge the gap that has existed between the Pro and non-Pro models in the past. Now you won't need to spend an extra $300 to access the more premium version, provided you're comfortable with a smaller device. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL appears to have minimal hardware upgrades compared to the Pixel 8 Pro, but we still lack the complete picture. Therefore, it's difficult to determine whether the upcoming Pixel represents a significant or minor enhancement. Additionally, we are yet to see the software aspect. Google typically introduces a wealth of new features alongside its Pixel launches, making hardware less critical than it was a few years ago. The leaked information suggests that this year's deals will be different from the previous years. Instead of receiving a Pixel Watch 2 or a pair of Pixel Buds Pro when purchasing a Pixel 8 phone, customers will now be offered storage upgrades. This approach is similar to what Samsung is currently offering, where customers who pre-order a phone within a specific window will receive a higher storage variant for the price of a lower one. These deals are expected to be available at most authorized merchants in France, with different offers potentially available in other markets. Additionally, users who purchase a Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, or Pro Fold before December will receive 12 free months of Google One A Premium, while those who buy a Pixel 9 will get 6 months of the service. It's worth noting that customers in the US or other markets may still have the opportunity to receive a Pixel Watch or Pixel Buds as part of their purchase. These new deals aim to entice customers to join the Pixel ecosystem and take advantage of the latest offerings from Google. It's intriguing to note that we've now seen both 128 and 256 gigs variants, hinting that Google may opt for higher memory configurations across all models. This move aligns with Google's emphasis on AI, which demands substantial memory resources for on-device processing. With this in mind, we can only look forward to what the tech giant has in store for us. More details will be revealed on August 13.